Hey, Kevin Turner Painting here. We are on day 3 of our 5-day kitchen cabinet process. So we've already completed day 1. We've already completed day 2. Let me do a quick walk around of where the job site is at today and kind of our next steps. So as you can see, we've got every surface within the kitchen. We're already prepped and ready to go. We're ready to apply our primer coatings. We're going to paint and prime every surface. Everything's going to be sprayed. Nothing's rolled. Nothing's brushed. And a couple of the other key things that we do. So we have air scrubbers set up throughout the project. The goal here is keep all the fumes contained within the project site, keep them out of the living space of the home so it doesn't disrupt you as the homeowner. And we're going to ventilate everything. So as we continue to walk through, again, more ventilation set up right here. And let's talk about the spray booth. So we've got our zip wall spray booth set up here. As you can see, we've got one of our doors hung here. So this allows us to spray both the primer and our top coats as we apply them. Front, spin it, and now we can do the back as well. And this is really going to do a good job of helping us contain all the fumes, all the chemicals, keeping those out of the house. So as we can continue on, you can see this room's fully prepped as well. We've got the Graco Ultra 390 sprayer here. This is what we're going to be using to apply both our primer coatings and our render top coatings that we're doing. Over here is our rack system to get all the doors ready. This is where we're going to dry all the doors. We also have them separated. Again, this is a two-tone kitchen, so we have these separated by the dark bottom tone and also the top tone that we're going to do. Right behind me here's yet again one other additional air scrubber. We've got the Fez Tool Sys Air here. We've got our zip wall completely set up. Again, when we start spraying, we close this up, keeping everything contained within the work site and out of the living space of the homeowner. And so right here we have our sanding station. So one of the unique things we do is we're able to clean, we're able to sand all the doors on site with all of our dust extractors up and running to keep all of the dust contained. And so now let's get into some of the benefits. For this, instead of replacing your kitchen cabinets, we're able to come in, spray a factory grade finish, no compromises in quality. And with our on-site 5-day kitchen cabinet painting process has very low overhead, so we can pass that savings on to you. And so today on day 3, we're going to spray 2 coats of primer. Come check back with us on day 5 to see all the final results.